In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to use images in your animation to improve the quality look of your animation. So, what I'm going to do is add in two images that I already have. I'm going to go over here to Asset Library, hit plus, and what I want to do is say upload assets, not the plus upload. In here I want to go to my folder and I want to upload car and side scroll for driving. Okay, upload, it'll add these two in. So now you can see in my asset library I've got the car and I've got the side scroll. First I'm going to drag in the side scroll. You can see it's pretty huge. So huge that I'm going to zoom out. So now you see here I need to resize this somewhat. The easiest way to do that is if I go up to this corner, you can see it's got that little two-headed arrow. If I do that and hold shift, I can then shrink down the background until it's just the right size for the frame I have. As you can see, it just fits over it. Now what I'm going to add in is I'm going to add in my car. Again, this is a bit too huge, so I'm going to zoom out and then resize this right down. That's even still a bit too big. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get that way, add in a layer. This one will be, and here I'm going to put the car in, zoom in a bit more, resize it, move it down, and okay. What we've got now is we've got a car, we've got the background. Now I've put these onto two different layers, so if I click hide layer, the car disappears. If I hit hide this layer, the background disappears. Now what we want to do is we want to have it appear that the car is driving along. And so what we're going to do is we're going to have this happen by having the car stay in place and the background move. So I'm going to grab my two images, layers. I'm basically going to drag this right across to say 30. And then I want to go up to this one, do the exact same thing. Now, if I go back to here on the bottom layer, I'm going to hit add tween, go all the way to the end, add another tween, and here what we're going to do is we're going to move this background. And what we will have to see is, as we pull this back, is it makes it look like it's driving. So, to do all this again, I'm just going to delete everything I've done. And we start off with a blank screen. We want two layers, layer 2. On the bottom one, we drag in this picture and resize it to fit. Doesn't have to be precise, but roughly I'll do it. Then we're going up to the layer that's on top and adding our car on, zooming out to resize this one, zoom back in a bit, Now move all of these to have a certain amount of space, and then for the layer 2, which is the background, click add tween at the beginning and add tween at the end, and then move the background to where we want it to finish at, which would be about, say, here. And now when we hit play, the background moves across, and we can export this one as a video and preview the video. We've got a car moving on a background. Not a great version of it. I think I need to check exactly my positionings, but you can see that it works as a video. Okay, thank you very much.